Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So how are you all doing? You might have already guessed from the title of this video what I'm going to do. Before I get started with the video, please do subscribe to my channel. Watch this video till the very end and give it a huge thumbs up if you like it. Alright? Also wanted to mention one more thing that please do follow me on Instagram. I do really cool face painting over there. If you like it, leave a comment down below. Alright? And let's get quickly started. So I think it's been almost 3 weeks that I purchased this Good Vibes product. Okay, before I did the haul or before I posted, it had already been one and a half week of me using it. So I have used these products quite a lot to tell you what I liked or what I didn't like. Basically, you can tell I didn't like these products much. I so badly wanted to like them. The lights just went, but let's just continue with the video. So I so badly wanted to like these products, because they are so affordable and they are easily available as well. So if you have been following me on Instagram, I recently posted that I got a few pimples over here, okay, and that was pretty unusual for me because since I was not menstruating. Those days were near also, so I did not know the reason why. And plus, we are not going out anywhere, so that seemed kinda like to me, because you know what, all the products had been working fine. I recently just included these Good Vibes products in my whole skincare routine. So yeah, from that I could tell that these are not working for me. These are the specific products that are not working for me. So I'll tell you quickly one by one which are the products I didn't like. She got the rose toner and the rose hip toner. Since I do not like the smell of artificial rose, like I do not like the scent that they purposely put in the products, I did not use this at all because it gives me a headache. So I just skipped on this. But I'm guessing more or less the formula will be same. And I use the rosehip version. Okay, I have finished this much. You can see this much. If I don't know, you cannot see because the bottle is dark, but I have actually finished this much, which almost is half of the product. I have finished a lot of product. So what used to happen whenever I would spritz it on my face. By the way, I love the dispenser, the product. It's very fine mist. It feels really good. I hate the scent. When I had applied it on my face started burning like anything. I had to apply aloe vera gel to calm it down because I had no idea why it started burning so badly, because I have been doing face painting from like past one and a half month, and I have been using my regular products, and I had been using actually the plum toner. That never caused any burning sensation, but whenever I would spritz this particular one, it was burning like anything. So I knew I had to give up on this, so I just left it because after using these products I saw that I was getting little bumps on my forehead as well. So I just gave up on this. I didn't like the toner, although they were coming at a great rate. Secondly, I have this Calendula gel. So this is one of the products that I actually loved, I actually liked, and would be repurchasing it. It smells heavenly for starters. Oh yeah, it smells so good. You know what? Like, if you have to get anything from this, please do get this one. Okay, the Calendula gel. It is calming as well. When you apply it on your face, the scent first of all relaxes. Secondly, it's so calming. It calms down your skin as well, because when that was burning, I applied this particular gel as well. Like 3-4 days it was burning. Sometimes I was applying the Calendula gel, sometimes I was applying the aloe vera gel. So it has like you can see, I'll just massage it into my skin. It's perfect for humid weather. It quickly absorbs into your skin and hydrates it. You can see. So I love this Calendula gel particularly. Next up on my list is this banana hair mist. Okay, so okay, initially it was really funny because of the smell, the scent, the fragrance, whatever you call it. Okay, still is. It's very sweet. Okay, like the sweetest banana, how it smells, it's like that. So I tried applying this. Now since I have straight hair, when I applied, it does show, give, you know, shine. It makes your hair really shiny. But the problem with this is that it makes your hair stick together. So, and I, on top of that, like I have straight hair. So what happens is that when my hair is stuck together, it doesn't look really nice. So it is, I feel it is meant for really frizzy hair, you know, where it's going all over the place and you want to bind it all together. That time you can apply. I'm not saying this product is really bad. I'm just saying this product is not meant for me. So yeah, I'm never gonna repurchase this. Next up is their sugar scrub, the lip scrub. It's in the lemon fragrance, lemon flavor, and let me tell you one thing, it smells amazing. I just want to eat it. So it smells really good, like I want to eat it, like lemonade. But yeah, it performs good as well. It's not that bad. Only problem I have with this is it's a little dry. I feel, you know, you just look at it, it's like little dry. There's no, I feel they should have added a little more oil to it, you know, so that it sticks together. The first time I'm not even kidding, the first time when I opened it, the whole thing came out at once in my hand and I had to put it back. But nevertheless it performs good. I don't have any problem, and it's really inexpensive. It's for 100 rupees. So yeah, you can give it a try. It's really good, and I think it's available in many flavors. So I'm definitely gonna repurchase it in other flavors of fragrance. Secondly, now we have the lip balm. This is the Good Vibes lip balm. It's in vanilla. Yeah, we have used quite a lot, and I can say that me and my sister both don't like this. I had actually told her not to buy this because I had never heard any reviews about the lip balm particularly. So I was like, why is she going for lip balm? Like, no blogger I've seen is raving about their lip balms. It's either lights are back. Okay? No, you can see on my face. I'm so sorry for the fluctuating lights, but I really cannot help it. Okay, so yeah, so this was the deal. The lip balm, I don't know why she bought it, but nevertheless, we give it a good try. And no, just don't buy. Like, any lip balm, even Vaseline is better than this. This is not at all good. It smells like actual vanilla and it's really good. But it's only about the fragrance. It does not hydrate your lips even for 20 or 30 minutes, so it's a hard pass. Now coming on to the last product, this is the Good Vibes Rosehip Serum, a much raved product and one of their best sellers, I guess. I mean, yeah, it's a good product. It's a good product, not products. It's a good product. I wouldn't say it's the best. I mean, yeah, it hydrates your skin really nicely. And I won't suggest this to oily skin people. Just if your skin is feeling really dry, do try this out. But yeah, I don't know, I need to apply something extra with this, like something really extra, some moisturizer, so that I feel that my skin is hydrated. It's good, but I'm not too sure about it. I have finished half of the product, if you can see. I applied it before my makeup because I have seen so many bloggers doing the same, applying it before the makeup. I generally don't include this in my skincare routine because I just feel that it does not do much. So yeah, that's it. I don't think I will purchase this again. I just don't think. I was going to buy purchase other products from their brand, but no, I don't think so. Because see, I want to try out products for you all, but I don't want to try products which I know won't work. So it's like after using it once, I will just keep them, and that's a waste of money and a waste of product as well. So yeah, I don't want to do that, and I will never ever do that. I want to try, I will try, but not like that. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and yeah, that's it. Love you all, bye bye.